Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open it. No, let me close it and open it again actually, like this. And once you open the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and then tap on Amazfit GTS 4 Mini to select it. Now, on this page, scroll down, find the option called Unpair, it's at the bottom, and tap on the Unpair button, then tap on Unpair, tap on Unpair, and the watch should disappear from the list of devices on the profile page. Also, it should reset itself to the factory default settings. So now we can close the application, and once you see the list of languages on the screen on your watch, it means that the device is done resetting and it's unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.